Hey guys, it's Claire from Clarified Creations. Today we're going to be doing an apartment tour. I know that this video I've said is going to be up for a while, so finally we're getting to it. First, I'm going to show you around our entire apartment. I think Sarah's going to give you a little glimpse of her room later on, so make sure you keep watching to see everything. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you all the amenities that we have because it's really nice here. Let's start with the first part, which is the entryway, also known as the door. We see a white standard door, and then when you look into the apartment, the first view you get is from the entryway. You kind of make your way up here, and automatically you see the kitchen, which is on the left, and then over here is the living room. So we're going to take a tour, and we're going to go into the laundry room. Gonna open these doors up. It's not the most glamorous laundry room, but that is okay. You can see we just have some regular laundry supplies up there, a washer, and of course the dryer. The brand is by Whirlpool, if any of you were wondering. So it's a pretty standard size washer and dryer set. On this side we have the thermostat, and then over here is my room, which I already showed you guys. Here's a sneak peek if you haven't already seen that video. Here's the kitchen. You can see there's these brown cabinets and these granite countertops behind me. Super fancy. There's an air fryer over here in this corner. And one of my favorite parts of the kitchen is the coffee station. Coffee nook, which I think is super cute. The Keurig, the coffee syrups lined up in a nice pile, and some coffee, obviously. And to tie it all together, we have a statement saying, "Do you like coffee? Only with my oxygen?" And that's by Gilmore Girls. Wait a second, we do have a cat stress ball kind of merged with all the coffee. What is that, you might ask? Well, Sarah put it there, and it's kind of like the cat that just goes everywhere. The cat always transports to a new home every day in the kitchen, so that's why Sarah put it there for today. There's a stainless steel microwave. Ooh, it's so reflective. Just gonna open that up. Don't mind if it's dirty. Nice looking microwave. A stove, which we've had a little bit of trouble with. The oven. And wow, take a look at our pepper selection. Our assortment includes some fully ground black pepper, the whole peppercorns, some lemon pepper to spice it up, get a little fancy, finely ground pepper, some other fine ground pepper, and whole peppercorns. Whoa, that's a lot of pepper. Then there's the salt and the extra virgin olive oil. In this cabinet, we typically keep our plates and our bowls, so it's a very large cabinet. And if you haven't noticed, I'm 5'3", and nothing is on the top shelf because we can't reach it. The pantry is over here, and look at how ginormous and tall that is. You'd actually be surprised because most of our pantry is actually full. Look at how much food we have in there. This side is mine, and then the rest is my roommate. So wow, we should definitely not be going hungry anytime soon. And what is this mystery door? This is the corner we keep all of our cleaning products, and that vacuum over there we haven't used since we moved in because we had some trouble with some smell issues, so it's probably because it's 10 years old. Got the water tank heater. I believe that's what it is. Or maybe it's the air conditioning. Not really sure. You might be wondering what this cylinder-looking white cup thing is sitting on this drawer set. Well, it is a gnat trap courtesy of Sarah. She bought it at Tractor Supply, because we have a very big gnat problem. The gnats always try and get you all over the place, and it's not the most pleasant thing. So Sarah picked up that, and we've gotten a couple of gnats, not very many, but they're still everywhere. Please let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions on how to get rid of gnats. Sarah, me, and Bridget would probably really appreciate it. Finally, the main star of the show is this farmhouse-sized sink, and then there's some knives, a toaster, and look at all these baked goods. We got some brownies, and Sarah's dad also made these very delicious chocolate oatmeal cookies. Let's get a close-up. Wow. My mom also got us these really pretty placemats. Look at how adorable that looks. We've each got our own one, and it is in this tropical pattern. Beautiful. Now we're going to slowly transition to the main other center. It says welcome in because that's what we say at Cracker Barrel. And you might be wondering, what in the world is that chicken? Well, Crackle will be introduced very shortly. Here we just have our aprons hung up to make it look a little bit more cohesive and tied together. Bridget and I drew the chicken and Sarah wrote that smiley face, so good job, Sarah. Here's Crackle. He's our very lovable chicken that we keep for all those times that we want to go floating on the pool. Sarah blew up this entire chicken by herself. It took like 30 to 45 minutes, but she did it. If I have clips, I'll insert it right here. What are you blowing up, Sarah?
I'm blowing up a giant chicken. It's 4 feet tall. Yeah, it smells really bad.
Cracker Barrel is alive and well today. He's looking a little bit deflated, especially his tail. That's a little sad, but that's okay. He's still doing well. He's gonna go into hibernation soon because Labor Day is coming up. Our main living area is pretty simple. I added a couple of throw pillows. They're not the prettiest, but you know, they work and they were free, so that's the most important part. The giant L-shaped sofa. Since I work at Cracker Barrel, I thought it'd be really fitting to pick up a peg game so we can play it, and Bridget put some kisses out, Hershey Kisses, and then her candle is also from Cracker Barrel. Let's smell that really quick. Oh, it just smells so good, guys. I wish you could smell it. It's cinnamon chai. And if you're looking at it here, you'll notice the giant flat screen TV in my shadow. Hi! Fun game, so we never have time to play because we're always studying. And to liven up the place, we got a fake plant because why not? I think it really looks good in our area. Gets a little greenery in here. And yeah, guys, that pretty much concludes the apartment. Now Sarah's gonna take over and show you her room.
Hey guys, I'm sure a lot of you, watch YouTube because you're watching YouTube right now. And when you watch these room tours and stuff, everybody like really cleans up their room and straightens up everything and all that jazz. Well, let me tell you something. Sarah is authentic and you're gonna see an authentic room right here. So just come on in. This is a judgment-free zone. Let's see, you open the door here, and immediately to the right we have 3 pairs of shoes, because if you have more than 3 pairs of shoes, you're killing the world, according to my sustainability professor. And then we come on in, and then we have my bed right here, and only true Clarified Creations fans know the name of this llama. So comment down below, and I will Venmo you no money, because I'm broke. And now, if we look over here, we have my bed stand, and I have to sleep with the fan so I can block out all the yelling at night, because there are guys that live above us and they're like, yeah, woo! So I just turn the fan up so I can just, sleep nice and cozy and stuff. I'll look out my window, and there'll normally be a train that's going, that'll wake me up in the mornings. And then we have this giant whiteboard here, which I will use to summarize all of information for an exam here. Yeah. Okay, and then we look over here, and this is my dresser, and you may be wondering, wow, is that 2 laptops? And to that I say, yes, this is 2 laptops. And I have a third one, but I have to wipe it off because it's been in the outside world and it's been contaminated. I also have a pillow here and a promise from God that says, blessed is she who believeth the Lord will fulfill his promise to her. #hallelujah. So then we go over here to my study space, and I got this really nice throw right here. So I'll sit down here, and I'll contemplate my life. And I didn't put anything in this drawer. That drawer's just really there for looks. And, it looks disorganized, but to me, I know where everything is. Everything. And we're just going to ignore the fact that my calendar's still on August. So then, we also have some more storage stuff right here. I have a lighter. Whenever I need some fire in my life, I just light it, and I'll just look at the fire, and I'll think, man, that's some good fire. So then we put that back down there. So, you walk in, and you got my bedroom right here. So then if you keep going straight, you're going to get my bathroom. And let me tell you something. If any of y'all judge my bathroom, I need you to take an anatomy exam, and then we'll talk, okay? Because when you're taking an anatomy exam, your life just kind of gets a little disorganized. You're just holding on, but it's fine. Okay, so we just step in here, right? And then, There's the mirror and stuff. And then here's my, counter space. I'm a very minimalistic person. Fun fact about me, I don't wear makeup and I don't know how to apply makeup. Yeehaw. So then we have all the drawers here. I won't go through those because you don't need to know what's in my drawers. That's a little personal. And then we walk through here, that's the toilet. Hopefully you've seen that before. If not, message me. We'll get you some help. And then I've got some stuff drying here, and I've got like 3 towels drying here because this is my drying rack. It's kind of a small space, so I've just had to put it here. And then we've got the shower here, and I'm not going to open that because you don't need to know what's in my shower. Again, a little personal. So then if we go in the closet, you're going to think, oh my gosh, woman, what is wrong with you? You are totally disorganized. And that I say, give me a call. And we'll set you up with the nursing college, and then we'll talk about who's disorganized. So yeah, but then I have this anatomy shower curtain that I wanted to put up, but the rings were too small. See those rings up there? Yeah, they're too big, and the holes for this is too small. But I'm gonna get my mommy to fix it. Shout out to my mommy. Hey, mommy, love you. So see, it's an anatomy shower curtain. Isn't that great? Yeah. Yeah, you can just kind of step on in here. It's a walk-in closet. I have some stuff in the floor, but that's okay. And then this is just kind of really a joke right here. Like, no. That's about it. That's Sarah's room.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that segment of Sarah. Her room was amazing. She did a really good job. Now we're going to show you the amenities of this place because they're pretty cool. Going to show you 3 of them. And the first one, we're going to go down the hall and look at the study space / game room. Here we've arrived at the study space. As you can tell, it's more of a game room. But there's a ping pong table. And then this is just kind of the overview. Got some couches, and of course, every good study space needs a flat screen TV. This is on every single floor, so that's super exciting. Now we're gonna head down to the pool and the fitness area. Okay, so obviously this is not the fitness area / pool, but I wanted to take a quick detour and show you another really cool feature of this place, which is the music room. Look at how beautiful it looks. There's a professional guitarist right over here, next to the guitarist playing on the wall. Some cushioning to make sure that the sound doesn't echo too much. Some bean bags for some simplicity, good old musicality. And look at the beautiful piano. Wow. And yeah, this is the music area. The fitness area. I can't get in because I don't have the key. You can see there's some treadmills and a weight machine thing that I don't know what it's called, but yeah, this is for all those fitness times.
My favorite part about the apartment is definitely the pool. I love it so much. It's super nice to just go in and take a quick little study break. So this is what I'm showing you here. You can also see the world-class grills. I don't know how to use a grill, so maybe I'll learn in the future, but they're there. You can see the sitting area and the lounge chairs, perfect for sunbathing and working on that tan.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button to become part of the Clarified Creations family.
Bye.
Bye. With the lovely farmhouse size shrink sink.
Hi.
Sarah blew cracker. No. Sarah blew up Cracker. No, his name's not Cracker, it's Crackle. Sarah blew... What are you doing? And here we've arrived at the study splice.
Splice.
And a Sarah.